Go team! Go sports! What the f did you say about me? What? I'm filming this, and I'm gonna take credit for it. Mission! Alright, I got it out. I may have angered a few spiders, but we did it. Annoying part done. I just told my cousin that I brought the tree up, and he told me that there is still more stuff downstairs that I didn't see. I was asked to go get this stuff. I didn't even see it because it was behind my bins. Check this out. Isn't this cool? It's a massive snow globe. I love it. It's like 4 days after I did my nails and messed them up. So I think it's about time that I fix the damage. Having cute nails is not really high up on my priority list right now, but I feel like if I do the entire series of Vlogmas with my nails like this, I'm gonna be disappointed in myself. We're doing the tree tonight. That's cool. I am beyond tired. I could literally fall asleep right now as I'm talking to you. In terms of my health plan, as I said in like the first video or whatever, so you may have noticed that I'm taking those little black pills. That is black walnut. And the black walnut pills is like, okay, so basically I was on TikTok and that should explain everything. I'm going to do a couple of things. A parasite cleanse, that's what the black walnut is for, but I'm gonna try multiple things for parasite cleanses because apparently different parasites react to different things. I probably should have put like a disclaimer that this chat may be a little gross. So I'm starting with the black walnut because I feel like it's milder. I have been trying to clear my detox pathways to the best of my ability. So cutting out sugar, which is also part of my health plan in general, besides the parasite cleansing and whatever else. So basically, my plan is to do the parasite cleanse, detoxing from like heavy metals and stuff. I realize I'm saying this as I'm using this super toxic chemical on my nails that I'm inhaling right now. And I normally wouldn't use this stuff. I normally don't even do my nails because it's toxic, but I'm making an exception right now because I have been using my hands a lot on video, and I'm just like, I'm not in a van anymore and I want them to be cute. I want my nails to be cute. Really, I think my motivation behind doing my nails is because go play in the snow. Go in the snow, Rocky. If you'll notice, there are no paw prints into the snow. Go play in in the snow, Rocky. Go play in the snow. Yay!
It's use your psychic powers towards mental illness. That's schizophrenia. I'm a psychic, mama! No, you're just retarded. Merry Christmas, bitches! Look at this, look at this. Brock Purdy in the fucking pocket. What?
I wasn't even.
Are you even filming? Wait, what are you laughing?
The funniest stuff happens when I stop filming.
Go down that more big! You see that run? D-boy Samuel.
Ew, are you eating? Are you licking the bed? What are you doing? Rocky. You're being weird. You're being weird. I went from happy, tipsy, to whatever the f I am right now in like 5 seconds.
But then he found, you know, George.
The vlog? The holiday mocktails?
Yeah, don't skip that ad. I get paid for it.
I don't even know where I got this.
What the fuck are you talking about?
What did you?
You
put Jesus on the
Jesus
tree.
on top of the tree. I feel like
He doesn't have an
being,
angel.
like, stuck to,
He likes to
like,
put
wooden
Jesus
things.
on top of the
I feel
tree.
like that. I want to put Jesus on the tree. You are more than welcome to.
I've been sitting here putting hooks on ornaments for God knows how long at this point. We have an entire tree full of ornaments and also several boxes more. It's like those, like this is one box. I got some on my left here. I got, I think, I don't know. This is, it's like, went from fun to quite laborious. And I'm like starting to think of how I can outsource this to someone.
Not for me, I didn't even see him there.
What about there? Beside the bear on the side?
I see it right there. Look, it's next to the donut.
No, not next to the
Put
donut.
it deeper in the tree. Put it deeper in the
Oh,
tree.
I feel like it would look nice on the side, but beside the Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh's
Where
higher.
Donut.
bear.
Look at this. There's another box. All of this is more ornaments, dude.
I don't know why that box isn't open.
Huh?
I don't know why that box isn't open.
Gotta put hooks on every single one of them.